Look, all that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe 8 nights.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today is Monday, and of course, as promised, I told you all I would be giving you all the Travis Scott Retro 1, and hey, it is landed, y'all. So if y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 100 likes. Hit it, splash it, and whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment down below and let me know, do you guys feel like this is probably the most exclusive Retro 1 to release this year? Is this the most hype shoe to release this year so far, as far as the Jordan brand aspect goes? And hey, y'all, I'm not gonna waste no more time. I'm gonna jump right into these things, because I ain't gonna lie, I've been waiting to see what these things looking like. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Yo, so I hit on these when they dropped on Travis Scott's birthday. Lucky, 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 should I say, man. All luck, no bot, man, no bot. So hopefully, man, hey, I really want to see what the hype is on this shoe, y'all. So let's go ahead, man. Check this thing out. First off, box presentation, y'all. If y'all can't tell, the box is not black, it is brown. We'll get an up and close detailed look of all of this when we take it outside and get that natural light. But man, woo! Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get a little smell of these things. Woo! Yes, Lord. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Smell test approved by your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. So before we get these things about the box, y'all, I just want to say presentation so far is dope. I'm gonna show you guys all of this stuff as well as we get into the full detail review. But yeah, let's get these things up out the box. And we in there, y'all. These things, man, y'all already know what your boy gonna say, man, because that's what I say. These things right here, these things are fuego, and I'm talking about fire flame, y'all. Man, I feel like, man, just by touching them when I pulled them out the box, the quality on these is pretty nice. The suede, nubuck, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just looking at the shoe right now. I don't see the glue stains. Travis Scott, you redeem yourself. I don't see the glue stains like how the glue stains were on the 4s. But hey, man, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn this camera around, man. We're gonna get this full detailed review, as well as I might just swap out the laces for y'all so y'all can see how the different laces look in the shoe. I think this is one of those shoes people really want to see what the different laces look like in them, so I'm probably gonna do that for y'all. But let's go ahead, man. Let's flip this camera around. Let's go get this natural light, and let's do the thing. Get it! All right, y'all, we got that regular Nike box that we normally see in Air Jordan 1s. Only difference is the color. It's a brown shade on these things, man. We got a size 11 Air Jordan 1 High OG TSSP, sail black dark mocha, and these are retailing for $175. Pink tissue paper Nike Air Cactus Jack, and you see the face on there with the wings logo as well, and white tissue paper in there as well. And right here we have the quality control stamp beside the inside of the box. Nothing really too special about that, so we're gonna go ahead and put that stuff right back up in there. And taking a nice 360 look at these bad boys before we dive all the way up in them. Hey, I don't know, man, these things is fuego to me, y'all. They gas. Now let's go ahead and start off with the bottom of the shoe. Starting off with the bottom of the shoe, we have that mocha down there. Nothing different, same way all Air Jordan 1s look. And now we're gonna start off with that midsole. We have that sail, and you can see that mocha coming up from the bottom of the shoe. Very, very nice mixture, if I do say so myself. And right here you guys can see that brown upper. It does have that switchback, that nice swipey swipe.
And you have the big Nike check in reverse, which sticks out on the outer panel of the shoe, which makes this shoe stick out really, really, really loud. On the back, you have that Travis Scott face that they've been putting on, that, you know, it's like his signature face or whatever it is. And let's go ahead and look inside the inner panel. On the inner, you guys can see it looks like your normal Jordan 1 right there, and you see you have that Cactus Jack right there. Now the toe box is a little soft now, you know what I'm saying? The suede is nice. Everything is nice about it, y'all. I must say I'm very pleased and I'm surprised. Black shoestrings inside, and it comes with 4 sets of extra laces for a total of 5. You have red, brown, pink, and that sail colorway. Nike Air on the tongue in red, Cactus Jack going down the side right there. Tongue is white, and you see it's outlined in that black. I am digging it. Left foot, right foot, there it is right there. Nike Air Cactus Jack, and there is that inside, as y'all see in the corner, where you can open it up and it has that compartment where you can store stuff. All in all, y'all, how do you guys rate this shoe? Y'all already know, as I promised, I'm about to give y'all that work with this on foot. So let's go ahead and get these things straight to feet, and I'm rocking all the laces. So I hope you all enjoyed the full detailed review and look at the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Cactus Jack, whatever you guys want to call it. I think the shoe is dope. I actually think that the pink laces look dope in it, y'all. I don't know, man. I think the pink laces sets it off, gives it an offset vibe, but I mean, I still think that it's fuego. So will you guys be going after these this Saturday, May 11, 2019 for a suggested retail sticker of $175? Hey, I don't know. Is this the hypest shoe? You guys tell me in the sneaker community. Do you all feel like this is the hypest shoe of 2019? And is it really worth the hype? I think that's another question to ask. But if y'all new to the channel and this y'all first time rocking out with your boy, make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. That way you guys don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel. 4K giveaway right around the way with Balls Clothing, Born a Wild Soul. Link is in the description box. Save 25% off on your next purchase using my code WizKid at checkout. Hey, I love y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. It does not go unnoticed. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and over there on Facebook. Don't forget to splash that like button. I'ma spin these pictures for y'all because y'all know that's what I do. I spin them pictures at the end of all my videos, and we gonna get up out of here. Get it!